welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa, and today I wanted to give you some instant cleaning motivation. So I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen, the dining room and the living room. This is a 10-minute video, so in the comments down below I want you to tell me, if you get up and clean with me, what you got done. So let's get into this.
Drink, you make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't.
So I know cleaning can seem mundane and monotonous because you're constantly doing the same thing every day, or at least sometimes that's the way I feel. The thing that keeps me motivated, and feel free to share what keeps you motivated down in the comments, but what keeps me motivated is the fact that I'm allowed the privilege to be at home. Like, I don't have to go to work, although I am working from home at the moment. I'm still pretty privileged that I have the option to stay at home, and I like the idea that my family is able to come home to a clean house. They're able to sit back and relax. My kids are both in college, so their schedules are pretty hectic at the moment. My husband, like I said in my last video, has just started his own business, so he's really hectic. Like, the business has just taken off. I don't understand why, but we're just fortunate enough that what he does, he seems to be in demand at the moment. So yeah, that's what motivates me, and the reason that I do YouTube for is that it gives me an outlet to try and motivate other people to clean when they just don't feel like it. Like, I have days where I just don't feel like cleaning, like not anything. I don't feel like doing the dishwasher. I don't feel like making the beds. You know, there's some days where you just want to pull the covers over your head and stay in bed and go back to sleep. But I do keep myself motivated by the fact that I am privileged to be able to stay at home. And I understand for men and women out there that don't have that privilege and still do have to go to work. So for you guys, I'm hoping that I can just give you that little bit of a push just to get up and do whatever you need to do, just to make your life easier, whether it's just packing the dishwasher before you go to bed, so in the morning you don't have to get up to a dirty kitchen or a dirty sink, or motivating maybe the kids to help you out to clean up the house a little bit or tidy up. So I really hope this inspires and motivates you just to do something small today. If it's not cleaning, it's not cleaning. Maybe it's decluttering the cutlery drawer, or sorting out your pots and pans drawer, or something.
Don't wanna waste no precious time, so let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it. back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
I've been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all in my fitness. I've been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness. My chain dance on my head big, my top heavy, I let it down. See me shining, they hating on me, they mean mugging, I let them down. She call me Poppy, I'm popping now. Happy, I'm hopping now. Money talks, I'm the only thing these broke boys should be talking about. They talking greasy, we eating healthy, we getting wealthy. You see the difference. Blew her back, then I blew her off. She salty, now she can't be the missus. My partner's country like cornbread. In the city plotting on long bread. These out here going broke, trying to do this that they song said. I'm a once in a lifetime flex. Never leave lifelines. Hit her with the nighttime text. Got no time to fight while I stress. I be dripping, baby. That I used to get missing lately. They acting iffy, he different, ain't he? Hop in the coupe and we dipping, baby. Yeah, the inside be looking like chicken gravy. In my vision, hazy. Know they hungry and hideous. Ride for my brother like Phineas. Finna go fill up a stash.
So now I'm just in the dining room. I'm just getting rid of the morning clothes, like my dressing gown and that I leave there every morning because I work out every morning. So I bring all my clothes out into the lounge room to get dressed in the lounge room so I don't wake my husband up. And yeah, they just sit there until I'm ready to clean. So this is a very quick cleaning. This is something I will do when I'm in a rush, like I need to go somewhere or do something. This is the type of clean I will do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please remember to subscribe by hitting the red button down below. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell with the all, so that next time I upload, you get all the notifications for all my uploads. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.
I'm on a mission, my palm just be itching, man. I can't even hold you, it feel like a rash. I came with the funk like a hamper of Pampers, and all of these rappers been stealing the sauce. I just been winning, man, I'm tryna get it, man. It's to the point I ain't feeling no loss. I been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness. I been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness. Ocean under this dad hat, it ain't me that you mad at. I ain't trippin', bruh, had that, cause he don't know I done had that. My bucket list got check marks, my denim pocket got stretch marks. My neighbors swear that I'm hustling, like might as well, bruh, fuck it then. I might whip around the city like a Uber. God on watching me and my maneuvers. Why you capping, bruh, you not a shooter. She gon' give me brain, think I got a tutor. I been too clean for the dirty look.